Good day, Philippines. This is Mike Padua, and we're back to our latest analysis. This is for today, Monday to Wednesday, February 17 to 19, 2025. And this is our English version, brought to you by Typhoon2000 and Naga College Foundation. If you want to know on the more about the Tagalog version of this analysis, just visit our website at YouTube. www.mrtyphoon.tv or visit YouTube and just look for name Mr. Typhoon for more details. But before we begin, we'd like to thank our partners, Aboitiz Power, Bank of the Philippine Islands, Sustainable with You. If you're interested, just click on the link up here, or if you're watching via Facebook, visit the description page for more details regarding BPI Sustainable with You. The local government of Naga City, headed by our Honorable Mayor Nelson Legacion and our Honorable Congressman of the 3rd District of Camarines Sur, Congressman Gabi Bordado. Let's begin with our update. We have some quiet times for the past few days, and right now we are still experiencing some easterly wind flow affecting Mindanao and Visayas. And up here over Taiwan and extreme northern Luzon, we have another blast of the Northeast Monsoon beginning to move downwards and will affect Luzon, Bicol region in the coming days. And here's the latest zoom-in satellite animation from windy.com. It's still not blowing around. It's currently here over the area of Batanes. But within the next 24 to 48 hours, the Northeast Monsoon will begin to move down this area. Okay, so expect increasing winds and possible shear line, but it's gonna be some widespread thing from Bicol down to eastern Visayas. So expect again on and off rainfall becoming more frequent over the eastern coastal areas of Bicol, eastern Visayas, and eastern Luzon. Here's the latest wind and pressure forecast from European model. And tomorrow afternoon, here's now the Northeast Monsoon affecting northern Luzon. And on Wednesday, it will go down across the eastern sections of central Luzon, Quezon, Aurora, Polillo, and over the coastal waters of the Bicol region. And on Thursday, it will become more intense, and it will affect the coastal areas of Bicol region and eastern Visayas. Although the strongest winds are located hundreds of kilometers northeast of Bicol and northeast of Samar, only the areas being navigated by fishing vessels will get affected by the Northeast Monsoon, but over the coastal areas of Bicol and eastern Visayas, the winds is not much. Okay, it's not strong enough, but we expect 2 to 4 meters of wave heights along the coastal waters of Bicol and eastern Visayas. And if we take a look on the latest on the rain forecast, and this is for the next 24 hours, and we will move this into the weekend. As you can see here, by tomorrow afternoon, the Northeast Monsoon will start to bring some rains and thunderstorms across the eastern sections of Cagayan and Isabela. So on Wednesday, the rainfall here will be around 100 to 200 millimeters. So please take all necessary precautions for possible flooding and landslides across the eastern sections of Isabela and Aurora. And on Thursday, you can clearly see here that the rainfall will shift downwards, and most likely there will be a possible shear line here. Okay, like that, and it will affect the eastern sections of northern Quezon, Polillo included, eastern sections of the Bicol region, where rainfall of 50 to more than 100 millimeters will be expected across the coastal areas, but inland will be light to moderate, maybe around 20 to 50 millimeters, and also across the eastern coastal areas of Samar and Leyte. Also affecting the areas of Siargao, Dinagat Islands, around 20 to 50 millimeters of rainfall, and also across the coastal areas of Caraga and eastern Davao. So that's how wide is the next rain event that is expected this coming Thursday, February 20. So please take all necessary precautions, those living along the landslide and flood-prone areas of the affected regions. And on Friday, the rainfall will move more towards the central portions of the Visayas, as you can see it here, and also across Palawan, remaining over eastern Visayas and northeastern Mindanao. Through the weekend, the rainfall will shift more to the south. It will be more focused over the areas of eastern Samar, eastern Leyte, and northeastern Mindanao. And then on Sunday through Monday, the rainfall, most of it, the rainfall of this possible shear line will now shift towards eastern Davao and northeastern Mindanao. While the rest of the archipelago will be expecting some good weather with isolated rain showers and thunderstorms, particularly over Visayas, eastern sections of Luzon. And for the wave forecast, and the wind is expected to increase, so we expect wave heights through Thursday to increase to about 3.4 meters, 2 to 4 meters across the East Philippine Sea, while over the West Philippine Sea it will be around 2 to 4 meters as well. Over the inland waters of the Philippines, it will remain calm to light waves of up to a meter or 1.5 meters in wave heights. And then on Friday, it will continue to be that way through Sunday and Monday because of the new surge of the Northeast Monsoon and the possible return of shear line. Okay, and for the latest on the La Nina, those who are asking right now, we have the latest as of February 13. And we're still under La Nina advisory, as you can see it here. So it means La Nina conditions are expected to persist and will transition into neutral conditions beginning March, April, and May. So next month, April and until May, we are now going to shift into normal or neutral climate conditions. So you can see here on the latest forecast graph of NOAA, of the Climate Prediction Center, right now we are in the month of February. Okay, so we focus on the middle of this 3-month period. So on February, it will be still at 95%, but by next month, on March, it will decrease to 59 or 58%, and it will continue until April. So by April, we are now at 66% of neutral conditions, and it will remain that way throughout the next 8 months. So we can say that through October of 2025, we will return to neutral conditions. But again, even though the end of La Nina is expected by March, April, the conditions will still persist for a couple of months. So most likely, it will coincide with the beginning of the rainy season or wet season in the Philippines. So during our hot dry season, or what we call as the Philippine summer, we expect still some rainfall activity across the country, particularly in the afternoon or evening. So watch out for the possibility of more thunderstorms during March, April, and May across different parts of the country. Okay, so that's the latest for this week. Again, like I said, we have another blast of the Northeast Monsoon beginning tomorrow over northern Luzon, Wednesday over eastern sections of central Luzon, Thursday, Friday, and through the weekend, we expect to be here over Bicol region and eastern Visayas. So a possibility of another shear line is set to arrive. So we expect rainfall on Thursday. Friday and Saturday it will start to weaken, but the the main bulk of the rainfall will be on Thursday. Okay, so that's the latest from the weather situation across the Western Pacific. This is Mike Padua saying good day to all. We will try to be back this Thursday or Wednesday to give you more updates on the return of the Northeast Monsoon and the Shear LIne. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe always, and God bless to all.